Building your real estate team. Finding a knowledgeable real estate agent. When it comes to buying or selling property, finding the right real estate agent is like discovering the perfect compass for your journey. Here are practical steps to guide you. 1. Understand your needs and preferences. Imagine you're embarking on a thrilling treasure hunt, and your agent is your trusty mapmaker. Start by understanding your needs. Property type. Are you after a cozy home, a bustling commercial space, or an investment opportunity? Location. Picture your dream neighborhood. Is it nestled near parks, close to schools, or within a vibrant city center? Unique requirements. Maybe you crave a sun-drenched balcony, a secret garden, or a view that whispers stories. Note them down. A knowledgeable agent will listen, decode your desires, and lead you toward the X that marks your spot. 2. Seek referrals and dive into research. Word travels faster than a rumor in a small town. Ask friends, family, or that chatty barista for real estate agent recommendations. Then, dive into research. Online sleuthing. Surf real estate websites, stalk their social media profiles in a friendly way, and read reviews. Look for agents who sparkle like gold nuggets. Credentials matter. Check if they're licensed, part of professional associations, and seasoned in the art of property wrangling. 3. The interview, your agent audition. Picture this as a casting call for your real estate adventure movie. Here's your script. Scene 1. Approach and style. Ask about their approach. Do they wield negotiation swords or dance through paperwork like ballerinas? You want someone who speaks your language. Scene 2. Fees and contracts. Clarify the financial plot twists. How do they charge? What's the fine print? No spoilers, please. Scene 3. Compatibility test. Trust your gut. A good agent listens, empathizes, and knows when to pass the popcorn. Remember, your real estate agent isn't just a guide, they're your co-adventurer. So, choose wisely, and may your house hunting quest be filled with plot twists, happy endings, and keys to new beginnings. The importance of a reliable property manager. The vital role of a trustworthy property manager. Owning real estate is like tending to a delicate ecosystem. It requires attention, care, and a keen eye for detail. Enter the unsung hero of property ownership, the reliable property manager. Let's explore why having one is akin to having a seasoned guide on your real estate journey. Smooth sailing with tenants. Imagine your property as a ship navigating the rental seas. A skilled property manager is your captain, ensuring smooth operations. They handle rent collection, maintenance requests, and lease renewals. When tenants encounter a leaky faucet or need a light bulb replaced, they don't have to reach out to you directly. Instead, they have a responsive, friendly point of contact, the property manager. This fosters tenant satisfaction and encourages long-term leases, reducing turnover headaches. Legal labyrinth navigators. Legalities can be a maze, especially in the property world. Fair housing laws, local regulations, and eviction procedures. Oh my. A reliable property manager stays up to date on these intricacies. They draft ironclad lease agreements, ensuring compliance and minimizing your legal risks. When a tenant's dog decides to redecorate the living room, chew the baseboards, the property manager handles it professionally. They shield you from potential lawsuits and keep your investment ship afloat. Preserving property beauty. Picture your property as a timeless work of art. A property manager is the curator, meticulously preserving its value. They arrange regular maintenance, from fixing leaky faucets to overseeing major renovations. Their network of trusted contractors ensures timely repairs. Well-maintained properties attract quality tenants who appreciate the attention to detail. Plus, a property manager knows when it's time for a fresh coat of paint or a landscaping makeover, keeping your investment masterpiece shining. In summary, a reliable property manager isn't just a luxury, they're a necessity. They handle the nitty-gritty, allowing you to focus on other aspects of life. So, Raise your anchor and sail confidently. Your property manager has your back. Legal and financial advisors, who you need on your side. Navigating the complex waters of legal and financial matters can feel like sailing through a storm. That's where your trusted advisors come in, the lighthouses guiding your ship. Let's explore who these essential professionals are and why having them on your side is crucial. Legal advisors, the guardians of your rights. Legal advisors, whether attorneys or legal consultants, are your legal compass. They help you understand the rules of the game, ensuring you don't step on any legal landmines. Here's why they matter. Contracts and agreements. When you're buying property, starting a business, or even signing a lease, legal advisors review contracts to protect your interests. They decipher the fine print, ensuring you're not unwittingly committing to unfavorable terms. Dispute resolution. When storms brew, be it a neighbor dispute, a business disagreement, or a family matter, legal advisors step in. They guide you through mediation, negotiation, or, if necessary, litigation. Their expertise helps you find the best resolution. Compliance and regulations. Legal advisors keep you on the right side of the law. Whether it's tax compliance, zoning regulations, or intellectual property rights, they ensure you're sailing smoothly. Financial advisors, the navigators of wealth. Think of financial advisors as your financial GPS. They chart your course toward prosperity. Here's why they're indispensable. Financial planning. Advisors assess your financial health, goals, and risk tolerance. They create personalized plans, like a treasure map, to help you accumulate wealth, save for retirement, and weather financial storms. Investment guidance. When you're ready to set sail in the investment sea, financial advisors steer you away from rocky shores. They recommend diversified portfolios, explain the difference between stocks and bonds, and help you avoid speculative whirlpools. Retirement readiness. As you approach the golden years, financial advisors ensure your ship is seaworthy. They calculate how much treasure, such as savings you'll need for a comfortable retirement, and adjust your sails accordingly. The symbiosis. Legal and financial harmony. Legal and financial advisors often collaborate, like a well-coordinated crew. When you're starting a business, they work together to choose the right legal structure, LLC, corporation, or partnership, and set up financial systems. When estate planning, they ensure your will aligns with tax laws. It's this synergy that keeps your ship steady. Legal and financial advisors aren't just professionals, they're your allies in uncharted waters. So, hoist your sails, trust your compass, and let these experts guide you towards safe harbors. Networking with other investors. Navigating the seas of investment. Legal and financial advisors. Investing isn't a solitary voyage, it's a collaborative expedition. Picture yourself as the captain of your financial ship, and these advisors are your seasoned crew. Let's explore why having them on board is like having a compass that always points toward prosperity. Legal advisors. Charting the course. Legal advisors are your navigators through the legal labyrinth. Here's why they're indispensable. Contracts and safeguards. When you're negotiating deals or signing agreements, legal advisors ensure you don't sail into murky waters. They review contracts, protect your rights, and keep you afloat. Stormy seas of disputes. When waves of conflict arise, whether it's a tenant disagreement or a business partner dispute, legal advisors steer you toward resolution. Their expertise prevents shipwrecks. Disclaimer. The information provided in this video and other videos or tutorials on this channel is intended for informational purposes only. It should not be construed as financial advice. Real estate investing involves risks, and conducting thorough research and due diligence is essential before making any investment decisions. Merchandising Paradise LLC strongly recommends consulting a qualified financial advisor to assess your financial situation and investment goals.